Are you aware of the surprising impact that TikTok is having on the culture today worldwide? So many young people from all over the world are engaging through TikTok socially, and it's not all very positive. That's what I want to mention to you. You can have a positive impact and effect through social media evangelism. You who are a Christian can be preaching the gospel and getting the word of God out to reach your culture in your generation. Instead of so many young ladies being defined by these images of what a young lady is and by the culture defining to them, and they're looking at all these other images and saying, ooh, I want to be like that. Most of it is a projected lie in an image. And what we need to be telling them is the truth, and the truth is found through the Word of God. And this is a fantastic opportunity to step up and use that platform. Yes, TikTok may be shocking, but the Word of God is more revealing and more powerful and able to change and penetrate people's hearts and minds. Be bold for Jesus. Use these platforms to get the gospel out. Ask God how He can use you right where you're at in your home to reach your friends and your culture, to tell these young ladies that this does not have to define them. People just want to ravish these young ladies today, and God has a plan and a purpose for them. And young men who are addicted through porns and being visually stimulated and destroying their lives through addictions of one type of another. This is not what success is. Knowing God, knowing your purpose is what success is. So you too can be that digital evangelist. You can help me be a digital evangelist by taking my content and sharing it with your friends. Also, you can follow me on TikTok and other platforms at Waleed Zarou. Follow me, share the content, and also pray about how God would use you on these platforms. Thank you for following me, and remember to share. God bless you.